Hello people of YouTube and welcome to another fast unboxing. Today we will be unboxing a device that I have a strong feeling most people do not know what is. We have ordered a grid tie inverter and we will unbox it and explain to you what it does. After seeing this, you might get your own ideas about how to utilize this in the best possible way. Remember, utility companies delivering electricity to your home gets greedier by the day. I guess why these units are not well known is that they most likely do not want you to know they exist. The unit arrived well packaged and the device itself is inside a vacuum sealed bag. Very reassuring. This is the unit itself. It is not really big and it is not very heavy. The front has a AC outlet, some LEDs telling you what it does, and a master on-off switch. The purpose of this beautiful little unit is to take current from solar panels and mix it into your house's own AC current. The unit does this in such a way that the appliances in your house prefers the electricity from this unit instead of the current from the utility company. If there is no sunlight, or if the unit is delivering at its maximum peak, the remaining current will be drawn from the utility company. In addition, the rear side has a fan and a couple of fuses, and then the input for the solar panels. This is a very small and basic model. We are soon ordering a much larger, more feature-rich model. In the meantime, I know there will be questions. Please use the comments field and we will try to answer them as fast as we can. Thank you very much for watching and we will be seeing you again.